Gates open, they're up and racing. King Patrick draws for your lead. Livelihood in second. Moving up by the rail is Bersua together with Moscow Ballet, compelled to lead down in fifth. Laon moving up in between runners. Then comes Anonymous. Then Galo Di Arlo running second last. Miss Manila. While Action Sailor is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 800. Livelihood now the leader, followed by Moscow Ballet. Bersua racing in third, then running on the outside, King Patrick. Laon is racing in fifth as they race towards the last 450. Livelihood still leading the field by such a neck. Running on the outside is Moscow Ballet, King Patrick. Bersua by the rail. Laon moving up on the outside. Anonymous as they swing for home. It's going to be an anybody's race, but Livelihood still leading the field. Bersua by the rail. King Patrick is on the outside. King Patrick, Livelihood at the center. Bersua by the rail with the last 75 to go. Jeff Sarate on King Patrick, now doing the better over Bersua. Then comes Livelihood close between Miss Manila and Laon for your Pentafecta.